Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. This is my last video. Oh no, I've got two more. I've got one more after this. My last video of a kit that has been set to the side. Pardon me, I don't know what month it is, but I thought I would share it anyways. And this comes from Simply Earth Monthly Essential Oil Box, Recipe Box. I recently went through my cabinet that had all my essential oils in it and recognized I have a plethora of oils. So I have slowed down. I've got doTERRA, I've got Young Living, I've got these. I have some that I order off of Amazon because I buy them bulk, because I use tea tree and lavender every day in my house cleaner. I put it in with half vinegar, half water, and then I add tea tree and lavender, and then I just go to town, and that's what I clean with. I have acute atopic dermatitis, so I have had literal burns, chemical burns, and so I have to be really smart about what I use. So, essential oils, essential oil. These kits are fantastic because they make you think of other things, and I love that. I really, really do. So I'm excited. Can't wait to see it. And I'm looking at this thinking, what are those? They're like silicone little cups. Do you see that? How cute is that? I wonder if it's like for a shower bomb or something. So let me see. I'm going to get, ooh, wax. I have a whole bunch of candles I'm getting ready to roll. Full size, huge sheets of, like, I can't even get it within the camera. Rectangular sheets. They're huge. And I'm excited to get those going. And then, okay, so we're going to make candles. Ooh, got all kinds of candles. And then let's see here. I'm not sure what they're telling us. So, oh, if we want to make more. All right, make your lava candle. It gives you can scan it and then give the instructions. That is great. Essential oil guide. Candle essential. I'm getting ready to make candles this week, so I'm going to scan that. All right, you get stickers for the different projects that they give you information cards on. So we are going to find out about twin twirly candles, beeswax pillar candle, rolled beeswax tapered candle, and then we've got reading nook, in the moment, blood orange, peppermint, fir needle, liquid luck. And then liquid luck wax tarts. Oh, I bet that's what that is. Oh, fun. And then in the moment, roll on. Okay, well, that should be fun. So we're going to do all these different projects. And I've already kind of covered them, so I'm just going to kind of flip by so you can see how they work. And the backs, it'll give you the list. So this is a diffuser, the reading nook diffuser. That makes sense. And there we go. So there you get all the recipe cards. Now, the biggest joy of the journey, and I'm going to open it this way because I have arthritis and it hurts my hands sometimes to pull those out. Make sure I have everything. Yes. Okay. Woo. I'm surprised I don't have a roll-on in this, but I'm not sure what they're thinking, so we'll find out when I make them. So this is going to go to the recycling, and yes. So you can also scan QR code for recipe videos, tutorials. How nice is that? Okay, so let's see. We have blood orange. Oh, I can't wait to smell this. Oh my goodness. Guys, that is fantastic. That's the best orange I've ever smelled. The best. The best. And I've had every kind of orange under the sun because I used to put it in my kitchen cleaning. Fir needle. Let me see. Now, I have right now, I have diffusers, but right now for the holidays, I've brought in all these warming candle type. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Tarts, and I am using them with essential oil wax only. So I have one that is for needle, and after a while, the essential oil wears off. So in my bathroom, I went ahead and added more rosemary and eucalyptus to see if I mix in those with the wax and put them in the diffuser, if it will help, if it'll kind of stretch the wax. If that's true, I will definitely be using that for needle because in this room, I am violently allergic to Christmas trees. And we've had to haul them out with everything on them. My husband has done that. But, so I just do either, in the old days, I would do candles. Oh, that smells good. That's peppermint. Could you hear me breathing? Sorry, guys. We're in cedar season, if you can't tell. And then this one is liquid luck. So hold on. But I will add that to the oil and try to extend it out. So this is sweet orange, cassia, amyris, and hoe wood essential oils. I do not know what hoe wood is. Oh my gosh. That smells fantastic. It almost smells like it has cinnamon in it. What is that? Is the cassia or amorous? It smells fantastic. You can smell the orange in it. Wow. That is, I don't know why you call it liquid luck, but it smells fantastic. So I can't wait. I'm going to come back. I've got one more box that I'm behind sharing with you guys. So I'm going to grab that, make another video. I think it's one I haven't opened with you guys. If I've already opened it, then this is it. But hopefully you'll enjoy this. Again, this is Simply Earth. It is a very lovely monthly subscription on soap making, candle making, all that good stuff. They give you recipe cards. They give you ideas. They give you tools to use, things you may not like. I don't know if I want to roll candles. Well, here you go. Give it a try. They give you the wick and the wax. Give it a try. What's it going to hurt? I have a whole bunch in the kitchen I have to do. I prefer beeswax candles. I also prefer no essential oils in them. I know it's really hard for me to say that. That's why I kind of like doing the wax warmers. I love the smell of beeswax, especially when it's scented with the honey. And mainly because we have bees, we have hives here. I am violently allergic to them. I cannot go anywhere near them. It is like, take me to the hospital. With EpiPens having gone up so high, I can't afford to have one here anymore, because when they run out of date and haven't used it, it's a lot of money to have wasted. And yes, if it saves my life, but my other problem is, with our son, we always, because he has severe food allergies, we always kept Benadryl, and he could take Benadryl till we could get hold of the doctor, or get him to an EpiPen. I am allergic to Benadryl. I know. How is anybody allergic to Benadryl? I'm allergic to Benadryl and the cousins of Benadryl. So I had a doctor literally do all the research and send it to me. She was so mesmerized by this. So I love when I can do honey smelling products in the house. I love raw honey. I love to eat it. I don't have a problem with that. I just can't be stung by a bee. So, and it's really interesting. I've been stung by a wasp. It doesn't bother me. It's just something with the bees. I don't know what. So, but I get to enjoy them in other ways. I get fresh raw honey, and my husband we don't have all the equipment to do the wax, to save the wax, but I will bring the wax in and we'll use it in cooking and things like that. So, it's just a really nice opportunity for me to still get to enjoy that smell. So, but with these, gosh, I mean, that one is fantastic. This particular kit, they just hit out of the park for me. I love every one of those essential oils, and I'm not always that way. So good job, Simply Earth. I don't know what month this was, but it is a lovely, lovely, lovely kit. So I'm very happy with it. All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you for visiting today. Thank you for staying close by. And if you stayed to the end, bless your heart. I so appreciate you. It really helps the channel, and it really helps me. And I so appreciate each and every one of you. All right, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Tell me what your favorite essential oil is, if you like essential oils or candle scents. I have to be honest, my favorite still is always going to be Leaves in the scent, fragrance world of candles from Bath and Body Works, and Autumn Wreath when there's similar smells from, where is that place? Yankee Candle. And I really loved, they did one almost 30 years ago called Indian Pudding. And I still have the vote of we just ration them out every fall from when we used to go up to Boston, and I would go to Faneuil Hall and hit Yankee Candles. So, yeah, those are my fragrance faves. And then my essential oils, completely different. So, okay, friends, again, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Have a great day. Enjoy your journey. And I can't wait to hear from you. All right, guys. Love y'all. Be safe. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Share if I didn't say that. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.